Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I share with you this simple shortbread recipe with you all. It's such a delicious snack with few ingredients. You are good to go. So if you haven't still subscribed to my channel, kindly do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell also so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Let's get started. To begin with this recipe, I have my all-purpose butter in a bowl. I have about 1 cup of all-purpose butter, and the butter should be in room temperature. It should be very soft, okay? Next, I'll go in with my granulated sugar. You can as well use icing sugar if that is what you have, okay? Mix it very well until the sugar is nice and well dissolved. With the granulated sugar, you're going to mix it for a very long time. That's why if you have the icing sugar, it's going to work very fast for you, okay? But here remove anything sugar, you are good to go. So I will mix it very well, and as you can see, the butter is very yellowish, and I'll mix until it becomes more creamier, just the way you see it on your screens right now. And the sugar also has dissolved beautifully. So next I'll go in with my next ingredients, which is some all-purpose flour. To that I'm going to add in my cornstarch and salt to taste. I'll mix everything well and I'll add it to my butter. So the reason why I added in some cornstarch is because I really want the cookies or the shortbread to really come out beautifully and very crispy, okay? So next I'll go in with some vanilla essence. This is totally optional, but trust me, when you add in vanilla essence, your cookies is going to come out very delicious, okay? So now I'm going to be adding in the flour little by little until I reach the perfect consistency that I want. Remember, we are making butter shortbread, so the flour shouldn't overshadow the butter, okay? So now let's mix it beautifully until we achieve the perfect dough. Alright, so after getting the perfect dough right now, I'm going to wrap it in my cling film and I will keep it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes, okay? So while that is going on, if you haven't liked this video yet, kindly do like this video, comment down below, and please do share this video to reach wider audience. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after extra 30 minutes of freezing, the dough is looking all good. So next I'm going to be using my rolling pin and roll out the dough very nicely. After that, I will clean the edges very nicely as well. With the help of the knife, you can also use any cutter of your choice, okay? And for shortbread recipes, you don't need to roll out the dough to become very flat, okay? It should be a little bit heavy so you can achieve the perfect size, okay? So I will cut them into the perfect shapes that I want, or the shortbread shapes that we normally see on market. Whilst that is going on, let me use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are too much. High five to everyone. Thank you for liking my video, sharing and commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful, okay? So for the shapes, you can create any shapes of your choice. So I have this love bowl which I wanted to create some shapes with it. You can use any object around you to create that beautiful shapes that you want, okay? And after getting these beautiful shapes, I'll be baking this in my air fryer. You can bake this on stovetop, in your oven, or anything else that you can bake your biscuits inside. Feel free to use it, okay? And I'll be baking this on 160 degrees Celsius for 20 to 35 minutes, okay? So after putting everything into the air fryer, I'll use my fork to create that beautiful small holes that we normally see on our cookies. You can even omit it if you don't want to, okay? So now let's bake and see the beautiful results, and voila! See how beautiful it came out. The outcome, the taste, and everything about these cookies was just on point. It came out so good. and it was very crispy, as you can see. I just love how it turned out, trust me. As Christmas is approaching, kindly make this for your visitors and they are going to love it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this butter cookies recipe, and I will be waiting for you in the comment section to read all your beautiful comments down below, okay? Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are a proud foodie member. Kindly do subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you for watching.